out of respect also to the Supreme Court, I will answer. Sabihin ko, ma'am, ganito yan. My words, it is not accusatorial. It is not a criminal information. It's just my word against the others because I have a duty to tell the public para malaman nila ang danger sa ating bayan, pati malaman natin kung sino nagpalaki ng industriya. Otherwise, kung maghintay lang ako ng huli-huli araw-araw isa, tapos abogado, tapos mag-trial tayo, pagkapos ng trial convicted ka, mag-appeal ka, court of appeal sa Supreme Court, it would take 10 years for one individual. How am I now supposed to meet the challenges of this practice? Huli-hulihin ko yung isa?
In what way po?
Karami. Intervention.
Para maayos ang kaso.
Hindi, alam mo, sabihin ko kay ma'am yan eh. Ma'am, hindi lalabas ang pangalan dyan ng political harassment as early as 5 years ago nandyan na yung pangalan na kaya nga patay na eh. Hindi naman na-erase yan kasi yung intelligence community is not supplied with namatay na pala yung asawa mo dahil na cancer o na stroke. Death is a private affair of a family. It is not announced to the world except for the obituaries. It's found in newspaper. Or somebody would purposely inform government that itong idioto na ito patay na.